Surprise! Hi guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jess. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I upload a whole bunch of different content here on my channel: beauty, fashion, lifestyle, food, hair, all types of stuff, and I would love for you to stick around. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like hair videos. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Obviously, there's an elephant in the room. I did dye my hair. I did dye it black, as well as got a relaxer. This is semi-permanent hair color because you can't dye your hair permanently with a relaxer. So this is semi-permanent black hair for your girl. A new season, new adventure, but now I am in love with it. But I don't even know where to start. So I did get a relaxer. Let me check how many weeks post I was, because you guys know I never remember. I was a lot of weeks post this time. I can tell you that because my hairstylist was like, oh, like your hair got thick. Okay, so it's this video right here. This was uploaded on... Why can't I ever see when it was uploading? Okay, let me go to YouTube. But I still use the same relaxer, the Affirm relaxer. I think she just does it in the regular strength. I'm not 100% sure, but I usually use 2 things. I think she did put 2 things in the little bowl that she has, and yeah, she just goes to town on my hair. She does it in 3 sections, starting with the back. And okay, my last relaxer was 4 months ago. It was June 23rd, and we're in October. So I stretched for, let's see how many weeks that is. Because the reason my stretch was so long this time was because I did put braids in my hair for about 5 weeks or so, I want to say. So, okay, I got it done on Wednesday the 30th. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I did it for about 14 weeks, which I feel like is usually my norm. Like, I don't do one, I feel like, any shorter than that. I think my shortest stretch was 12 weeks, and I just felt like my hair was like, I could have gone longer, but whatever. So I stretched for 14 weeks, and it was pretty easy, like I said, because I did have my hair in my protective style for, I think, about 4 out of those 14 weeks. So I just, you know, really didn't do anything to my hair. I just I really moisturized my scalp, really made sure before I put my braids in that my hair was moisturized and sealed with oil, and I feel like that had a lot to do with my growth. But yeah, so it was nothing any out of the ordinary. She did my relaxer and then she put the color in. Yeah, and I just wanted to go dark. I just wanted something different. I feel like most myself with black hair. Personally, I have dyed my hair black previously, about 3 years ago. I think I have a video on my channel about when I did that too, and at that point I cut it really short because I had a lot of damage and my hair was like literally at my like not even the bottom of my neck. Like, it was almost like a little bob. But I'm happy that it grew. As you guys can see, we have a lot of length here. So if I pull my hair straight, it goes past my collarbone, and this is me just relaxed. Like, I'm not trying to like lean my head back, you know how like little kids do to make it so that's longer. This is a couple days old. It is now Friday. I got it done on Wednesday, but I had just been so busy. I wasn't able to film when I got home that night. But yeah, like I said, it is way past my collarbone, like a good inch past my collarbone. So that's my hair relaxed, and here's this side. I didn't get a trim or anything because I did get a trim last time. So I just want to show you guys everything. This is how my hair is looking. This is all me too. Got no hair, no extensions in or anything, but I will turn around so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys are able to see the back of my hair. It got super long. I am just so happy. It looks so healthy too. I was afraid that the color was going to make it look like not dull, but just like not as fresh and like, you know, alive. But I'm so grateful that it didn't do that. So yeah, everything went really well. My hairstylist I feel like she mixed the color herself because she goes like into the back of her shop to do it, to mix the color and everything. She based my scalp. There was really no breakage or anything that I could see from the protective style or anything like that, which I was a little worried about because like whenever you keep your hair in a protective style, I always feel like you're in the back of your head is like, what if all my hair falls out? You know what I mean? But like I wasn't worried about that. Like I was just worried about like, because I did use the rubber band method on my hair and I was worried that, you know, like it was going to break my hair, but I didn't keep it in long like I said. So yeah. If you guys are curious about this makeup, I did film it. Surprise, surprise. So that would be my next video on Tuesday. And yeah, guys, that's really it for this relaxer update. And length check. This, my front pieces always are shorter than the pieces in the back, like no matter what I do. Maybe like one day they'll catch up, but I kind of like it because like I can do like this with my hair and like have like a little bit of a bang to kind of frame my face, so I'm not like too mad at it. But like I said, there's really not much to update you guys on besides like the drastic hair color. I am so excited to do more looks of my black hair. I feel like I got not inspired to do makeup because I feel like all my makeup looks look the same. When I have brown hair, I feel like I just look very monochromatic. I feel like I look like a freaking mozzarella stick. Just like brown hair, brown skin, everything, you know? Like I just feel very like bleh. But with black hair, I feel like I'm that, you know, I'm that chick, okay? Like, you know, I would say something else, but my aunt watches my videos and she would be very mad if I said it. So yeah, I think that this is really just something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I mean, like ever since like all of the dye washed out of my hair from last time, I'm like, I really miss my black hair. I have been black and I have been red. Red, I was obsessed with. Everyone around me hated me red, which I found out after, you know, and like everybody's like, oh, that's cute, whatever. But I wouldn't go red again, I don't think. I think I'm going to stick to black. I think black is me. It's very much me. I don't even know if you guys can tell like on camera, like I just feel so myself with black hair, and it's a great feeling. But I hope that you guys are doing well. I literally just choked. I just choked. Okay, but yeah, guys, I hope that you are doing well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave, and also hit that little notification bell because that will notify you every time I upload, which is every Tuesday and Saturday here on my channel. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.